Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're finally going to be testing out the mixing starter kit that I purchased and see how it turns out. The client did come out yesterday. We already finalized the design, we finalized the color, and we're ready to go. We just need to mix the paint and burn the screens. The design that the client chose is nothing special. It's going to be a two-color design. It's going to have a two-color chest logo and a two-color back print. Here's the films. This part of the film is going to be yellow, and this color of the film is going to be the unique color that we're going to be mixing up. The color that the customer chose is the 306C. Yesterday I was unsure of what C standard for coated, obviously, but coated is if you're going to be using Plastisol inks, compared to uncoated, that's if you're going to be using water-based inks. I already printed out the formula to create this color, but I will be showing a recording of my screen on how I got this formula using the software that it came with. So by looking at the formula here, I'll also be putting the formula up right here. So it seems that in order to make the Pantone 306C, we need the Epic Real Electric Blue, 341.04 grams. We need the Epic Real Mixing White. We need 209.20 grams of that. We need Epic Real Indigo Blue. We need 12.10 grams of that. And we need the Epic Real Electric Yellow, 5.11 grams. So we need a total of 4 different colors. And one thing I wanted to mention is on the software, again, I'll be showing you this step as well. You could change if you want to do a liter, if you want to do a gallon, or what, doesn't matter how much ink you want to make, depending on what quantity of ink you want, it will readjust and calculate the numbers. So let's just do a little bit of magic and just get all the colors on the table. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, sorry guys, that was the wrong magic trick. Let's try that again. Wow. There we go, we're all good to go. So here's everything we need. We have the Epic Real Electric Blue. We have the Epic Real Mixing White. We have the Epic Real Indigo Blue. And we have the Epic Real Electric Yellow. Here's our scale. So now we're ready to start mixing. Alright guys, so we have the scale. Here's the container. The container is 90 grams, 0.11. So we need to cancel that out. So we're going to press T. And there we go. So it's at 0. So now we can start the mixing. Our sheet shows Epic Real Electric Blue. So we need 341.04 of the electric blue. I'm not even sure how much to start with. I'm going to recalculate this real quick because it seems like a pint is going to be a little bit too much. I'm okay with half of it, so I'll be right back. Okay, so it is just basic math. It just got deducted by half, so I need 170 grams of the electric blue. Okay, we're done with that. Now we need the mixing white. We need 104.61. So 170, 52, 104.61. That should be at 275.13. That's close enough. 275.12. Before I forget, we're gonna click the T now to reset it. Now we move on to the next color, which is indigo. We're doing 6.05 grams. Close enough. And the last color is electric yellow 2.55. There, 2.55. Now we're all set. Now I'm going to start mixing the ink and hopefully we get the color. 306, this is the color we're supposed to get, so now let's mix it. I'm gonna try to use a different spatula. I'm just going to drop a little bit of paint on here and see how it compares. So this is supposed to be this one here. Of course, like I mentioned, once you actually do the screen printing, it would vary a little bit, but that is super close to the color. Now that we have the color matched, I'm going to get the screens burned and start the printing. We're starting off with the blue color first. There we go. There's a close-up. Then send this to the conveyor dryer and keep going. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the design that was given to me. Here is the final product. This is the back print. And this is the color that we matched. Really came out nice. 2-color print. That's the back. And there's the front of the print.
So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I wrap it up, I do want to show you guys the software that I used for how to get the formula. So the software that we use is Poly 1 Ink Management System 3.0, and this is how we use it. So for example, the color that we chose was a 306C, so I entered it here in the formula code. I enter the weight if I want to do 0.5 pint, which I ended up changing it from 1 pint to 0.5. So for example, for 0.5 pint, it shows the 170.52 grams for the electric blue. So if I change that to 1 pint and should double it, it changed it to 341. So when you look at the booklet, it will give you the formula code, which all the colors are here. And that's how you end up getting the formula. Let's try a different color here. And it calculates it, and it gives you all the colors here. From this same software, you could print the formula, print a label, deduct inventory, calculate, blend formula. You could keep inventory. It's a great software. Now that I actually use the software and the kit, I could definitely say that it is worth it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for I could reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers for the year 2020. And don't forget, ¿Quién dijo miedo?